Hello everyone, the main objective of this experiment is to understand inter-process communication using pipes in Unix and Linux. In this experiment, we learn how processes communicate with each other, how to transfer data between parent and child process, how to use unnamed pipes and named pipes, how pipes helps in real-time data sharing between processes. The goal is to achieve efficient communication between the process. First, we should create a pipe int pipe ft of 2, pipe of pipe ft. This create a pipe with two ends. Pipe ft of 0, read end. Pipe ft of 1, read end, write end. Used for communication between the process. Write a pipe. Write of pipe ft of 1, comma data, comma size of data. Send data into pipe through the wire end. Used by sender process. Reading from pipe. Uh, Character buffer of 100, read of pipe ft of 0, buffer, comma, size of buffer reads data from the pipe using the read end. Used by receiver process. Parent and child communication using fork. Fork of create a child process. Child write data to parent reads data. Unused ends of pipe are closed for proper communication. Demonstrates one-way communication. Using pipe with commands, ls output of ls is passed as input to grep. Example of pipe in Linux shell. This is a pipe to list files and filter result using grep. In this experiment, we applied IPC using a hotel management system. Pipe to child communication. Unnamed pipe. Parent process to handle a booking system. Child process to send customer details like name, room type. Child writes booking details to parent, reads and process them. Ensures smooth internal communication. Named pipe. Used for communication between unrelated process. Example, one process to send reservation details like the writer. Another process to reads and confirm booking of reader. Useful when process are independent. File processing using pipe. Large hotel data of like booking records is split into smaller parts. Each part is processed using pipes. Improves efficiency and speed of processing. Last, producer to consumer model. Producer to generate booking data. Consumer process and stores it. Pipes act as a medium between process and communication, ensures continuous data flow. Result. The experiment was successfully completed. Data was transferred between process using pipes. Parent-child communication worked correctly. Named pipes enable communication between unrelated process. Producer to consumer model was successfully implemented. Thus, IPC using pipes were efficiently demonstrated in a hotel management system. The conclusion, this experiment helped us understand how process communication efficiently using pipes in Unix and Unix systems. Thank you.